guys, standing in front of this new property I just picked up. I'm gonna take you inside. This property is gonna be renovated and rented out. I bought this all cash for $35,000. It needs a ton of work, so let's go check this out on this episode of Learn and Earn, Ryan Troyer TV. First step that you want to do when you do pick up a new property, so your contractors do get access, get yourself a lockbox. That'll come in handy for letting people in and out. You don't have to meet them. That is definitely something you'll want to do. So this property needs a ton of work, full rehab. Taking you through the living room here. Yesterday I had ripped up the flooring. The entire floor needs to be replaced. Kitchen cabinets, gonna replace them. Fridge, actually gonna keep since this is a rental. The homeowner we bought this from already had one installed. So this property right here, a tree hit it and scuffed it right through there. So we're gonna start here in the kitchen. You just got the full walkthrough. The game plan for this property is gonna be to strip all these panel walls, get some nice drywall in here. All the interior doors will be replaced. We have a few windows to replace. Obviously the plywood in the floor we're gonna replace. So this is a 3-bedroom. This right here is going to be converted into a living quarters. The window will be replaced out there. It's rotted pretty bad. We're going to shoot some HVAC vents down there behind the plywood and the bricks. And build a closet. A property like this will take it to a 4-bedroom, 1.5. But if we're gonna add extra value whenever you can with minimal demolition, we are gonna downsize this closet here. All of this wall right here will be taken out. We will put a stand-up shower in it that will lead to this bathroom. So this is a half bath, no tub, no shower. We're gonna reconfigure the plumbing in this. Put the toilet on a different side, and above the toilet here, we are gonna put the stand-up shower. That's a game plan here. Taking this from a 3, 1.5 to a 4, 2. We can get more rent, and when we do decide to sell it, we are gonna get significantly more for it. First thing you wanna do on the outside to get this place looking better, you saw that before photo. Take out the landscaping, take out the overgrown bushes. It's not pretty right now, but it's a lot better than what it was looking. All that was covered. Big ugly dead tree was sitting here. We got a little bit of it left right there. But luckily, a property like this, the skid steer comes in handy. We do demolition, we do removal. That is my business. So we get that knocked out real quick. Plan for the back of the property. The rooftop awning here, all that's gonna go. Skid steer is gonna take care of that. All that cleared out. Trees right here, again, landscaping. It definitely looks horrible. All these trees, we're gonna take those out. Already started taking and piling some of these with the skid steer, so these will be taken out. This tree right here, as long as we're putting money into this, we're gonna put some money into prevention, because a tree did fall on this house already. I don't want it to happen again when I'm an owner. This one right here, all this will be taken out. Doesn't look like a healthy tree on the bottom. All these will be taken out. And I can do most of these myself, and I'm going to. What I can't do is climb a tree. So this big guy right there, big pine tree, we're gonna get a climber in here. This tree's actually leaning very nicely towards the house. So we need to get that one taken care of ASAP. Why we want to do that? Because it's actually a small creek that flows here, and that's why it happened to the other one when it came on the house. This shed, that'll be demoed and removed by me and my team. As far as the trees goes, this one will also need a climber to climb up there and remove it. I can do the haul away, so I'm saving a little bit there and sacrificing a little bit of time, but that's way too high for me. I'm not going up there. So that's the game plan for the backyard here, and I'm sure there'll be a million other things. The roof, I'm not gonna mess with. We're gonna get a new one, and we're having a roofer come in, re-shingle it. Some of the plywood's actually messed up there, so he'll take care of that. This property does not have an HVAC. It does not have a central heating and cooling. So I already got one estimate on that. I'm only getting one more, and then we're just gonna do it. The HVAC should go on this side, along with the return. Quote for that, this is a full package, ductwork and everything. It was $8,900 for a packaged unit. So that's not too bad of a price. Again, when you buy a property like this, be ready to put some money into it. You're gonna get a roof, HVAC, a distressed deal like this, $35,000. That's what you're gonna get. Windows, luckily, I'm not gonna really do too much with them. They are vinyl windows, they're not wood, so I'm not gonna put too much thought into it. Again, we're gonna clean up all this on the outside and get this looking right like theirs. Okay guys, we are live here. We got the after rehab done of this house. Let's take you through it and show you what we did. So all the bushes in the front, we took that out, put black mulch all the way down. We didn't do a whole lot on the front side of it, but we totally transformed the inside. So in total, we'll go over the numbers as we go along and what we did inside this property. You ready? Okay, so we did a whole bunch of stuff to this house. Let's take a look. Starting with the ceiling, we had the old popcorn ceiling and it wasn't able to be scraped off, so we had to get new drywall hung and finished on the ceiling. These can lights, we really lit the place up. We put brand new ceiling fans in. Obviously brand new flooring, new trim. We knocked out the wall that was originally right here. All this kitchen flooring was rotted out and has been replaced with plywood, 2 different sheets of plywood to bring it up. Brand new kitchen cabinets, new countertops, obviously new sink, brand new appliance packages for this rental. We got new doors, new door trim, new window trim. This room, we pretty much just added some new lights, nothing too crazy. This room right here, the 4th bedroom, we totally transformed. This thing with drywall was hanging down. It was looking really, really rough. We put a closet in here, closed off the old existing door, fixed a rotten piece of wood right here. This was all rotted down and hanging. Put some new steps in here. Let's keep going on the inside and take a look. So we went agreeable gray on all the walls in the house. Ceiling, we went white. Nothing crazy in this room. It doesn't look a lot different than what it did, but let's keep going. We put a brand new HVAC system in here with ductwork. It didn't have that before. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So at the beginning of this wall right here led straight to where the bathtub was. We had a vanity, a closet. We knocked the closet out, brought everything over, closed up this wall for the big ad, which is gonna be right, turn it around. This was the closet before, so we opened that off, we closed the closet off, put the bathtub here with the surround, and this is now a full bath. It was a full bath before. New closet doors, of course. We got the folders. Took down the old ugly wood shelving, put some wire racks. It'll do. New ceiling fan. I want to make sure we get a ceiling fan in all the rooms. Okay, so master bedroom, real nice. It was originally a super, super ugly bathroom. I'm talking, it was ugly. So we stripped it all out and you can have a look. You can have a look what it looks like here. We put a new tile shower. Now remember, this wall right here was that old bathroom on the other side. So we put a nice tile shower there. Threw a light. Although I did wish my light was more center, but that's okay. New vanity, new mirror. So we totally transformed the inside. Now, let's take a look at the outside. You wouldn't even recognize this backyard. There's a whole row of trees here. We took that down. An ugly awning over here. We took that down. Brand new siding, brand new roof. There was trees everywhere in this yard. There's a shed back here. We demoed that. Got all the vegetation out. Took down a monster pine tree that was standing right here. We took out a massive tree that was here. A chain link fence that was running along there. With a light pole. And then we took out the other row of trees right here. So we got a nice, beautiful backyard. Total transformation. We got our brand new AC unit. Did a bunch of work out here on this side with the mechanical side of things. So overall, it was an insane project. Let's take a look at some before and afters. You guys did enjoy this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I'll be bringing to you more videos like this, along with more breakdowns of my real estate adventures. Until next time, guys,
thank you for watching. This is Ryan Troyer TV.